Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting, shopping, decor and makeovers. Thanks for tuning in. If you've been watching my 2025 Dollhouse series, you'll have seen so far I've refreshed the kitchen and the office. I've just done a quick makeover in both rooms and just made a few changes, and I'm doing the same in the bedroom today. So that's the office side. I've moved some things over. And I've moved the bed out and everything. I do need to put some wallpaper on that wall there, so I'm going to go with this, which I think is sort of complementary to the other side. There's some white, there's some gold, some black, and then the other side I've got white and gold as well, so I thought that matches. Funnily enough, last week when I did the office refresh, my mum said that back wall looked like it was mouldy because it's green. It's sort of like a marbly green effect, but I've listened to her and I've got my other two papers out. They are marbly ones still. I've got blue and I've got grey. So I'm going to just peel off the green. As you can see, it's actually quite easy to take off. So although it's sticky, it does just pull off and it doesn't leave any residue or anything. So I think I might go with the white marble effect rather than the blue, because the blue kind of hinders my colour scheme really. So I think white and grey is easier to add other colours to later. So that was the original roof actually underneath the pink, which I got rid of by putting white wood effect on the outside roof. And now I have a nice lovely marble grey effect, which I think is better than the green mouldy look. So hopefully, Mom, you are happier with that. So just getting that in place. And I think that looks a lot better. My cups just fell over on the desk. That's the trouble with these little fiddly things on doll houses. There's a lot of picking stuff up and moving it about. But yes, I'm happy with that refresh. And then, of course, I'm going to refresh that main wall by putting some wallpaper on it, because I had originally just left both wooden, so it hadn't changed. So just drew round it and then cut it out. It's nice and easy. Put some double-sided sticky tape on and then just stuck that on. So that's a nice, easy fix to do there. And then I put the roof back on, and now we have lovely wallpaper. And also having the different wallpapers kind of divides the space up into office and bedroom. So when I did my office refresh, I said I might need a rug. So I thought I would start by just making a rug. It could go in the bedroom or the office. So I've got a piece of white foam and I've cut it into a sort of a rough square. And I've got lots of this black ribbon that my friend gave me. And I thought, well, I'll use that ribbon to edge the rug. So I'm just gluing it on, and then I will trim the edges off to make them neat. And I'll just do all the way around the outside first. But then I might decide whether to do a pattern, maybe a star or something on the rug. I sort of kind of work organically and kind of see what happens. So I've got my edged rug and just put it up there. And that looks okay, but a bit plain. I also notice as I put it down that you can see the white on the side. So I'm going to fix that with a black Sharpie rather than trying to pull ribbon round and make it bulky. And then in the end, I decided to go with a bit of a crosshatch plan. So I put some lines one way and then some less lines the other way. So I've got a nice sort of checkerboard style rug now. So that's how it came out. I don't always know when I start what I'm going to do, and that's what I love about creating in the dollhouse. So I'm just sort of tucking it under the leg of the desk there, and then I'll put the chair on it, and then it'll be nice and cozy when I'm in the dollhouse, when I'm in the office working. And then I do have my bedroom rug over that side, so it's super cozy up in the attic. We are having a look at how it's all turned out in the bedroom. So I've got these bedside cabinets with a plant on and a magazine there. I've got a plant in that corner, and then I've also put a plant in that corner. So plenty of plants in the bedroom. Also a bedside lamp and a bottle of water. I do love those little bedside cabinets. I did toy with putting a drawer on it, but I've left them as they are for now. I've also just redressed the bed for winter with the fluffy cushions and the cosy bed cover because it was dressed for summer before. And I'm keeping this tray because I think it looks really nice. I'm very happy with it. So I haven't really changed much of the bedroom set. I've also kept the end of bed bench and the box that goes underneath, and I've just put a cosy throw in instead of a summer sheet that was in it before. And the rug that I had at the bottom of the bed, I'm just going to put it at the side of the bed there. So when you get in and out of bed, you can put your feet straight on the rug. And I thought also to keep the coziness going, I'll make a pair of sliders. So I just got some cardboard and cut out 2 feet shapes. And then I got some black tape and then just taped it round. So you've got the top of the slider. So it's super simple to make. But I think they just add that little touch of coziness and shows that someone lives in the dollhouse because their sliders are at the side of the bed. So that was just one little change I made for the refresh. As I said, I may change the bedside tables soon and, some other things. But for now, I'm very happy with the attic setup. I think that new rug looks fantastic there. And the office is super organised and neat and tidy. And the bed part of the room is lovely and cosy and warm and inviting. So I think it's worked out really well. And I hope you've enjoyed seeing the refresh and the tidying. This is the attic completed for now. So we've got the office, we've got the bedroom. The middle of the dollhouse is the mess that needs to be reorganised. So I've got the bathroom and I've got the living room to do. So I've got things that I've popped in there that I want to use in there, but I will have to take it all out. The kitchen dining room is still looking fabulous, well stocked, and fabulous for winter. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing those little tidy ups and refresh, even by the door as well. We've got the lovely little entryway, which is looking neat and tidy, and, ready to go. So this is my next area that needs work. It's kind of like the biggest job because I am going to renovate in here and make some changes. So I've kind of done the easy bits first, which was the kitchen, tidying up and refresh, and the attic just needed few little pieces to be made and just a little rearrange. But there's going to be a big job here in the middle. So this is my next project that I'm going to work on. So I'm definitely going to need to change the wallpaper in the living room, maybe make a new settee and have a completely new layout. The handy thing is I can take the wall out, so that's nice and easy, and I can just lift everything out. And I'm even going to take the shower out because I do think with this renovation, I'm going to go for a bath because I've always done a shower in my doll houses, a walk-in shower. And I think I might go for a bath. I can always put a shower in the bath, but that makes a nice little change. So just take the towel out there, take the picture down, take the toilet roll out, clear it all out, so I can start afresh. I've left some of the things up. I've left the curtain up. I've left the towel rail and the hook, but I may change them as we go. So it's just thinking about it, really. I've took the toilet roll holder off and I'm just peeling this off, and I got a feeling I might rip the wallpaper there, so I might have to change the wallpaper. I might change this net curtain to something a bit more modern, like a blind or some window film. I might move the toilet around so it could go on that back wall instead of on the side. The towel rail might go. I could keep the hook, or I could change it and have a series of hooks for the towels. So I've definitely got ideas. I did print off this printable from Poppy Seed Mini because this is actually a bath template. And I thought that's a nice, simple idea, really. But it's actually too big for my bathroom, but I can still use it as inspiration. And then they had this cute little cupboard frontage, which again was thought was a great idea because you could stick that onto some cardboard. Again, it's a bit big for mine, so I might just have to use it as inspiration. And I do love the rug, so I think I might cut the rug up and use it. Even if it's not in the bathroom, I'll use it somewhere. And that long piece, actually, I think I may use as a runner in the kitchen to go under the sink. So it won't go to waste, and it just gives me inspiration. I do like to look on Pinterest and places like that to get some ideas. So definitely going to get in here now and do the bathroom. Hopefully I'll get something done for next week, but it might end up being a bit of a two-parter if it takes me a while. So come back next week and see what happens. So as always, thank you very much for watching. If you have subscribed, thank you very much. If you haven't, please consider doing so. Give me a like, drop me a comment, because I do love to hear from you. So until next week, take care. Bye-bye.